I need to sand down the joint there between the nozzle and the main fuselage. It's not great, but needed to be done. Bit of a step it was. It's a bit better, but not marvellous. But I've had a go sanding and repainting. I guess, as you can see, I've done a little bit of gluing. Put the tails on, the elevators on. Although I did knock one of the one of these static things off. Get another one, put it back on. Got these ventral fins on. Put the wheels on. The wheels, the undercarriage, main undercarriage on, but these are 3-part system here. So I put this on first, then this section, this hydraulic section thing, then I put the central cover on, and I put this mechanism on it at the end as well. So I've got 3 parts there ready for the wheels to put on. Painted a few things as well. Got the decal on there before I put the pylons on, and I got 4 of the main pylons on. There's another 2 more on the wings and 1 down the middle for the belly tank. I've been putting these little hydraulic things there on the main gear doors, and on each side. They'll be in place then, ready for when I put them attached into the wheel bay. And I painted the front nose wheel, and a bit of painting on the main wheels as well. Okay, after putting some decals on, I've been adding quite a few extras now. Got the wheels in place and the gear doors and the wing tanks and some bombs. I haven't got the missiles on yet, but got one of those missing anyway, but I might find a spare somewhere in a box of bits. Right, I just put the 2-part canopy on. You can see the join there, and one part is clear, one part is smoked with a bit of Tamiya smoke paint. Maybe a little bit of streaking in the brushwork. I don't use the airbrush, but I got the tape over there today, overnight. It's with white glue I've stuck it down with. But as you can see, I put a tape facing the other way, so that's not sticky that side, so that it won't stick and peel off any of the smoked paint on there, and it won't stick to the canopy in the back as well. Got paint by there as well, haven't I? On all the joiners, but that should clear up nicely. Right, I've got the little pitot tube there, and got the little aerial, not aerial, the forward pitot tube there to put on. A lot of decals are on. You can see little orange squares and little things you can't see anymore because they're underneath what I put on afterwards. There's this part here, these lines up here that absolutely drive me bonkers. Really annoying and fiddly to put on, but they're on. Some shape. Don't know if they're necessary really, but just for the tail to go on now. Here we are, all finished. Well, pretty much finished. Finished as much as I'm going to cope with. I want us to stop now. Got various little areas and things on. I got the missile on that side, but the other one fell off, so I'll be sticking that on at some other date. Got a little bit of a dustiness in the rear end. The you can see that a bit more weathered, a bit more pointy things sticking off than I wanted to, really, a bit delicate to handle. In fact, I've included photographs. The paint came off the front and the back by handling it like that, and my hand that one over there too before I put the tail on. So I had to repaint that. Here's a picture of where the paint came off, if you look now. Yeah, so I've repainted it now, and but the rest of it, just been very careful. Tedious putting the decals on, and some of them were tricky, especially along here, because there's a little bit of film sticking out the side, so trying to get it to line up on the edge of the fuselage was a bit of a tiresome job. But there we are, pretty much done. There's always little bits and blobs you could add to it or finesse with, but I'm quite happy with that now. See, the belly tank's quite low, isn't it? But it's about a sheet of paper worth of clearance with the bottom as well. I'm quite happy with how the smoke effect has come out on the front part of the canopy, and the head-up display gubbins fits in there snugly, but it fits. And yeah, decals come on. Apart from the straight lines, the decals went on quite easily. And there we are. That's it. Done. An actual new built model. The rest of it, next couple of weeks, I'll be doing repair jobs. Got a few little repair jobs to do. But thank you for watching and following this thread of videos. And I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.